So I'm going to do this real quick because I am stealth camping right now outside of my home. So I don't want to keep the lights on for too long. But what I do want to do is, my toes, is test this setup in solo mode before I go on a trip in a few days. Welcome to DeezRoads. I'm Dee. I've been car camping in my Hyundai Santa Fe on a part-time basis since September 2021, adventuring and exploring mostly in the East Coast of the US for now. I began car camping as a budget-friendly way to reconnect with nature and escape the daily rat race. Here's Sky. She joins me from time to time. If you're interested in watching solo car camping adventures and occasional tips, this is the place for you. Subscribe and join the ride. So down at the foot of my bed, I have storage, blanket, light. Underneath there's the stove and stuff, my iPad, more storage. I ran into an issue with this here. All of a sudden it doesn't want to stay shut, so I have my sweater back there kind of propping it up because on that side over there, it just suddenly wants to start to fall down. Over here, I have all my like toilet paper, poo gel, my Culo Clean portable bidet in here. And then in this bag is where I'm keeping my window curtains, the black ones that I have on the doors. Of course, I have a fan for the night. I have my bathroom ready in case I can't make it into the house in time. That bag back there is filled with my kitchen stuff and some food. And then under the bed, I have some storage, which I will show you in the morning. I'll give a more detailed kind of tour of how it looks in solo mode. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off these lights and start winding down for the night. It's Sunday night, which means a new episode of Carolyn's RV Life just came out. So I'm going to go ahead and watch that and go to sleep. I will check back in with you in the morning and let you know how this test goes of how I currently have it set up in solo mode with the new build. All right, so test success, I guess. Woke up only once in the middle of the night to, handle business. Put some more blankets on me because last night I think it got down to 48 degrees. So the verdict with the mattress, I thought it would be fine because I'm used to firmer surfaces and I don't mind firmer surfaces. It's not bad. It's okay if you're a side sleeper like I am, it's okay. If you sleep on your back and you have curves in your body, it's not gonna work. I think I'm just gonna put just a small topper on it that I had on my mattress before I got this car camping set up, and I think that'll be fine. Anyway, so that's the verdict on the tests for the first night trying out solo, how the setup works as a solo setup. So let me show you what I'm using for storage and how I have it set up fully now. This may look just like a regular floor of a car, but if I lift up this little carpet, I have my outdoor gear. Chair, walking sticks, outdoor shower, and this is like one of those hangy things that you can put on a picnic table or whatever. And I just cover it like that. Boom. I needed to get better with making sure I'm prepared for hiking. So I went ahead and splurged on this bag. And as you can see, those packing cubes, there's a larger one inside this bag. But all of my hiking stuff is in there. I'm now a lot safer. And that is going to go right under here for easy access. So here's how my storage is looking so far. I have all my emergency supplies for the car right in there. I have my hiking accessories plus first aid kit in here, packed in with storage cubes. I still have this area right here, and this area will probably be where my clean clothes go, and I'll end up putting my dirty clothes down here in a dirty clothes bag that unzips and opens. But for now, I'm just gonna keep that right there. And I'm just gonna use this sheet here to pull down and cover anything that is underneath there. So when I open my doors, it's covered. You can't see my gear. You just see I have a bed. And usually what I do if I'm traveling around is I move these pillows kind of like down there in that area. That way when people look in through my windows, they don't see a bunch of pillows.